Hello and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Blacktown at the moment inside carriage number C3587, part of C10. Just going to show you something, guys. These two types of seating. That's your fixed seating. You can't move it. And here's that. That's how it goes. And turn it around. And there's another one over here. Show you an example. Like that. And turns back around. Just like that. And that's your Tango prototype sitting. That's all I have to show you guys. So it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.